Okay, so here is the best way on how you can generate images in Perplexity AI. So here, as you can see, I'm already in here and you need to find it on your web browser or you can download the app as well and you have to log in. But there are two things that you need to confirm. First up, you need to check your plan. If you're on a normal plan, you can only use three pictures per day and you cannot do it. But if you're on Pro or Max plans, you can generate unlimited pictures as how much as you'd like to. And here, as you can see, I'm on the free plan. So yeah, we'll head back. And right here, I'm gonna generate. So I did that. It's gonna generate a picture of what I said. And here, as you can see, it also gives you the detail of what the picture is gonna be like. So yeah, we'll see how the picture turns out to be. But yeah, here you go. As you can see, it has generated the picture for me. But the thing is, my internet is kind of slow right now and it won't it will take time to load in the full picture. But here you're getting an idea of my picture that I've generated, and it's gonna take a while to generate. But you could just simply ask anything or any picture that you can imagine and ask it, and it will generate a picture just like that for you. So yeah, this is it. I'll see you in the next video.